Hello children, welcome to English class. Today we are going to discuss the poem Noses written by Eileen Fisher. All of you take your textbook and listen carefully. Eileen Lucia Fisher was an American writer. She was a nature lover and she wrote more than 100 children's books. As the name of the poem, Noses, indicates that it is about one of our sense organs, that is, nose. You must have studied about the sense organs in your EVS class. We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. The functions of these sense organs are: our eyes are for vision, ears are for hearing, nose is for smelling, tongue is for tasting, and skin is for sensing the touch. Now look at the first stanza. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. Second stanza. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. Third stanza. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. Let's move on to the explanation. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing, the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with 2 little holes where the breathing goes. In this poem, there is a girl who is looking in the mirror and she finds her nose to be funny. Her nose grows in a funny and strange way. It sticks right out of her face. It has 2 small holes through which air goes in and out. The little holes in our nose are called nostrils. These nostrils help us for breathing. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare with my nose, like a handle sticking there. The little girl, again looking at the mirror, and observes that her nose grows out like a handle between the end of her chin and the start of her hair. The girl compares her nose is like a handle and also says that it pasted in between chin and hair. Third stanza. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. The little girl says that if ever one wants to laugh and shout but cannot find a reason for it, then all one needs to do is to look in the mirror. She says that the way the nose sticks out will surely appear funny and will make one laugh. Rhyming words. Rhyming words are 2 or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. There are so many rhyming words in this poem. In the first stanza, we can see 4 rhyming words. They are nose, grows, shows, goes. In the second stanza, we can see there, hair, spare. Three rhyming words are there in the second stanza. Look at the last stanza. Shout, about, doubt. These are the three rhyming words in the last stanza. Let's move on to new words. First word is mirror. Mirror means a shiny surface that produces image of object in front of it. Otherwise you can say a looking glass. You can make a sentence using the word mirror. There is a mirror above the wash basin. Second word, funniest. Funniest means something that can make you laugh a lot. Sentence, my brother is the funniest person in our family. Next word, breathing. Breathing means the process of taking air into our lungs and releasing it. Sentence, breathing is an important process for our body. Next word is sticking. An act of fixing something at a particular place. Sentence, I tried to stick paper with a tape. Next word, giggle. Giggle means to laugh repeatedly in quiet but uncontrolled way. Sentence, some students started giggling in the classroom. Children, that's all for today and we will meet soon in the next class. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day.